Time for another Facebook ad review. I'm Christa Nichols, sales copywriter for 7, 8, and 9-figure entrepreneurs and influencers, but I got my start as a Facebook ad strategist and ads copywriter. Let's take a look at another ad. Wow, what an image. It's definitely a scroll stopper. I also really like the opening hook. People hate to think that they're making a mistake and they don't even realize it, so that's pretty strong. She describes the problem well and gives social proof, but she's a little lacking when it comes to describing the training and the result they'll get from it. Here's where things start to kind of fall off. All the comments have to do with her outfit, and it looks great, but is it distracting from the real purpose of the ad? I'm not sure how well this ad converted, but I can tell you it worked to stop the scroll. The question is, was her outfit so good that it took away from the actual purpose of the ad? Was her click-through rate good? Were people just there to comment on her shoes? I think she could have benefited from having a little text on the image that called out to the exact problem result. The focus, here's why it's here. Follow for more ad reviews and tips for freelance copywriting mamas.